Welcome back to day 15 of this Quora and Jarvis live case study where I use a AI copywriting tool to answer people's questions on Quora to see if I can reach 10,000 views by the end of this 30-day period. And I'm only spending 1 hour per day doing this. Go ahead and leave a like on this video. But here we are in Quora. Let's go ahead and go to stats, change this to all time. So we have jumped to 1,820 views with 12 upvotes. In the space of 24 hours, we have gone up 280 views. I actually think that is double anything else that we've done previously. The first question we're going to be answering today is, what happens if I do not get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in a year of YouTube? So let's go ahead and answer this question. Time purposes, I'm not going to be stopping and starting like I did in the earlier videos, because ultimately steps I take in this video is no different to all the other steps I've taken previously. So from days from 0 to 10, that's when I've really tried to find the template and kind of showing how I'm actually creating blogs. In this one, I'm still going to show it, but I'm not going to do a voiceover or anything. So I'm just going to be speeding the way through just so I can stay in the zone, keep focus and. Grab the question, hit the long form assistant, paste it in, change the angle, and let's do this. Okay, so that's blog post 1 done and dusted, and this is about 730 words. And then go ahead and post. How does the YouTube search function work? Okay, so that is blog post 2, and we still have 30 minutes left and post. The final question, which is, how can I promote my K-pop YouTube channel better? I'm still new to this, so no subscribers or friends, and want to expand more, I guess. So I've actually already answered a very similar, if not identical, question to this. Here is the post. So very simple, I'm just going to copy and paste this. Actually going to not copy and paste it. What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to add a backlink. So very simply, okay, and just going to go ahead and do post. Okay, so now that we've answered 3 questions, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next one, which is, I'm not getting views or subscribers on my YouTube channel that I created 2 weeks ago. I've uploaded 19 videos. Why is that? Is that normal? Okay, so let's go ahead and answer this. That, I believe, is question 4. Let me just check. Yeah, so that's question 4. Okay, so just a quick recap before we end today's video. We are now 15 days in. We are halfway through this project, this venture, this bit of fun we're having, and we have had the largest jump in the past 24 hours of views across our content, which was 280 views. I'm really chuffed about, because that is progress. Total view count at this moment in time is 1,820. As always, if you have any suggestions on how I can improve my answering of questions on Quora, or you can give me some tips and tricks or anything of those lines, make sure you comment them below, and I will see you tomorrow.